How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 69 Chevrolet C10 short box, done in a super cool sunburst orange. Got a steel cowl hood on it. Really nice little truck. The complete frame off build. It's done a couple of years back. So all the grill and bumper, everything looks like new. Paintwork on the truck's really nice. Truck's nice and straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice flush mount tonneau cover on it. 17-inch Kroger Street Pros. It's got the Blazer Suburban rear bumper, just clean look. Truck's really straight down the sides. All the glass in the truck's been replaced, all your weather stripping, everything. It's got a GM crate 350 in it with all the March Serpentine pulley kit. It's got a vintage AC and heat. Be cool aluminum radiator in it. Got your power steering, your power disc brakes. All under the engine compartments all painted really nice. Tell you, it's just a really cool truck. Jams all look real nice. It's got all AutoMeter gauges in it. It's got factory tilt wheel. Got a nice set of buckets. Center console with the cup holders and stuff in it. Fuel tank's been moved to the rear. It's a stainless fuel tank tucked up underneath. It's got a hidden hitch. See, all inside the bed's painted nice. And there's your fuel filler. Tell you, I liked white cover, tonneau cover on it, and the white interior looks real good. Got a nice AM/FM CD stereo in it. Front and rear speakers. So the AC vents are all in the dash like they should be. Very nice little truck, guys. Real clean underneath. Believe it's all the original body panels on the truck. Fires right up. Got some headers and duals with Flowmasters. Backup lights and everything work in it. And the truck drives and rides out beautiful. It's all drop spindles in the front, lowering coils in the rear with an adjustable track bar. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.